Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I've in for you our in-stock 2022 Scout 195 Sportfish. We put some great options on this boat. I'm going to start on the back of the transom, then we'll walk forward and point out everything to you. On the back here we have a Yamaha 115 4-stroke. Great motor for getting up to speed really quickly in this boat, a light motor, and then great for getting into that shallow water with only a 13-inch draft. You can trim that motor up and get into really skinny water. This boat's a great boat for fishing. We have 4 rod holders on the back of the transom, actually 2 on the gunnels, so you can have great trolling positions for those rods. Cup holders in the back here, and then 2 great seats with backrest, and then storage underneath both these seats, so with drains. So really nice to have in that. Easy access to your bilge area in here. Also wanted to point out you have on deck draining. So this is a self-bailing boat that also has the capability with the bilge for anything that goes into the center console or locker storage. I'm going to look up to the helm right here. Have a really nice, very comfortable backrest that actually removes. So you have 2 more rod holders now if you wanted to really do some hardcore fishing and have those lines out for drum or trout. And then an easy access live well here obviously can be used as a insulated cooler. As we look at the helm itself, we have our upgraded Baystar hydraulic steering with a tilt steering wheel. Have your digital gauges here, all your switches, and then have a blank canvas for you. You can add Garmin, Simrad, Raymarine, anything that you're comfortable with on there. And then we have a Fusion Bluetooth stereo with 4 Fusion speakers on this boat. One of the biggest additions and newest by Scout is when you upgrade to a T-top, now you have a powder coat instead of the aluminum as you did with the older Scout. So very well appointed, just another nice feature that's standard with that upgrade and looks really sharp on this boat. Also look up, we have life jacket storage up here and have your throw cushion, easy access for everything. With this boat, you'll have two batteries, one for your engine and one for your house battery. Easy access switch down here, and this indicator light will actually glow red when everything is turned on, so you'll know if you walk away from the boat and look back that you've accidentally left everything on. And then a nice little storage area that's lockable on here. You come around with me to this side, we'll have nice seating with a igloo cooler storage underneath, and then underneath there will be access to your batteries. So center position of the boat with the batteries creates a nice displacement on here. As we go up to the bow, you'll have a fully separate anchor locker up front. Still some great platform room for fishing. You have your pop-up cleats around the whole entire boat, and then a huge storage area in here. So this can be used as your fish box, has a drain in it, can be used as cooler or dry storage. But it's a really nice seat as well. You can take these cushions out and have a bare boat for fishing. So great walkability room on this. Again, a 13-inch draft. Very easy boat to get into some really small areas, but then a boat with a deep enough V to cut up in the chop offshore and keep you very comfortable. So if you'd like to see this boat or get out on a sea trial, please give me a call at 910-256-8100. And again, this is Chris Honig with MarineMax, and hope you all have a great day.